Do your drums sound too ringy or just plain ugly? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple solution for a cleaner and more modern tone. And at the end of this video, I've got a bonus for you. If you're new to Brad Allen Drums, I'm a professional drummer based out of Kansas City, and I help drummers like you develop great technique and a better sound. Alright, so this is a Yamaha Stage Custom set that I purchased recently. The first thing that I did to improve the sound was to replace all the cheap stock heads on the set with some really nice Evans drum heads. I then tuned all the drums. You really need to tune the drums before you do anything else. And I have a whole video on tuning, just follow the link in the notes. So here's what the drums sound like unmuffled with the exception of the bass drum, which is muffled. Here's what they sound like individually. I'll play them all together. You can really hear the overtones ringing out, and sometimes that works. I play a lot of acoustic jazz, and it works for that style, but it doesn't sound very modern. It doesn't really work very well most of the time for more commercial styles of drumming. Now, a lot of drummers use moon gel to muffle their drums. Let's see what it sounds like with moon gel. Here's the drums individually again. And here's the whole set together. So that sounds a lot better. It definitely cuts down on the ringing, but it still doesn't sound great to me. It gives you a very uneven muffling. I've tried these a lot, and personally, I don't like the sound of the drums. I just don't really like the tone. Now let's try some Evans E-rings. Here are the drums individually again. Here's the whole set together. To me, this is simply a much better sound. You get even muffling all the way around the drum, and to me this results in a much better tone. I especially like this tone when recording contemporary music. Remo makes a similar product, but their rings are made of thicker plastic. I actually like the Evans E-rings much better. One other thing that I want to point out is if these rings get bent, then they start rattling on the drums. So it's important that you take really good care of the rings. Leave them on the drums or hang them up when you're not using them. So if you want an easy way to really clean up your drum sound, these rings are a great option. Have you tried these E-rings or have you tried other muffling methods? Let me know what works best for you in the comments below. Now, as a thank you for watching today, I have a free gift that I'd like to send you. I'd like to send you my 10 best exercises for stick control and speed. And these are the same type of exercises that helped my student Matthew Lom win a fastest hands drumming competition 2 years in a row. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below to get a free copy. Be sure to subscribe for more drum tips every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.